Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome to my makeup room, and into this video I am gonna discuss about some amazing skincare brands that are made and manufactured in India. So the purpose of making this video is basically, could you remember almost 1 year ago our dearest Narendra Modi ji once said Atmanirbhar Bano, and after that there was a trend that was just flooding around all over the internet, was hashtag vocal for local. But sadly, just like any other trends, this trend also went back on the list, and there was some another random trends that just goes up on the surface. But I truly deeply believe and feel that hashtag vocal for local is a trend that should be always on top of the list for us Indians, because it's really important to save our economy and make India a little bit more better. Yeah, a little bit more better. So yes, in today's video I'm gonna address you some of amazing Indian makeup brands that fits into your budget, works amazing, and everything is good because it's marketed and made it manufactured in India as well. So yes, what you're waiting for? Let's go. And in case you are seeing this face for the very first time, then hello, I'm Ankita. I make videos about beauty and style, and also sometimes a little bit of skincare. So yeah, if you're interested in those sort of things, then please subscribe to my channel and be a part of this family. And also don't forget to hit the bell button just beside the subscribe button to get notified every time I upload a new video. Now with that being said, let's go. Let's just start. So you know what, let's just start this list with something that we all know about. Let's talk about Plum. Yes, so Plum is an Indian brand, and I think we all know this thing. They are vegan, they're cruelty free, and also PETA certified. Now, animal testing is banned in India, so all of the brands that I'm gonna talk about are cruelty free for sure. But Plum is vegan as well as they're PETA certified. They are SLS free, paraben free, phthalates free, and all of the harmful chemical free, so you can rely on their products. I've tried a lot of products, not a lot, but I have tried a couple of products from Plum. Some of the product was hit for me, some of the product was miss for me. So yes, if you want to know some of my favorite products from Plum, then please check out the description box. I will mention my favorite products from all the brands in the description box below. So yeah, make sure to check the description box out for some primary guidance. But yes, you can check the Plum, and it's a very mid-budgeted, mid-range brand which works effectively. Affordable brand. Now let's just talk about more affordable brand, and I'm talking about Good Vibes, that are exclusively available on Purplle, and some of the Good Vibe products are recently available on Amazon as well, but not all of their products are available on Amazon. So yeah, if you wanna check their whole product library, you must need to go on the Purplle website. But anyway, all of their products are so affordable, like all of their products are under 500 rupees, and on Purplle there are always some crazy discount going on, so you know what I mean exactly. And I have tried a lot of products from them. Like I've tried their face wash, their toner, their scrub, their mask, their gel, their shampoo, their conditioner. I've tried a lot, trust me, I've tried a lot, and I have some hits and miss. And also I want to warn about one thing, is that never ever tried their shampoo and conditioner. They are completely disaster. Like that's the most disgusting thing I've ever tried from Good Vibes. But most of their products work for me, and as they are affordable, they are very pocket friendly as well. So yes, do check out this brand. Now let's talk about some luxurious brand, and I am talking about Indulgio. So Indulgio is a brand that was founded by Supriya Malik in 2016. So it's a very new niche brand, it's not a very old brand, and all of their products are very pure, very natural. They don't use a lot of chemical, so all of their products are pretty much on the pure side, and they have not very huge, but they have some sort of nice decent amount of product library that you can choose from. and their products are hell effective. I've tried their hair vitalizer for my hair, and yes, I've seen some sort of improvement in my hair. And it's just their packaging, their product list, their ingredient list, everything is just so well thought and just so pure that it has to be luxurious. It can't be on the affordable list. You know what I'm talking about? Now, if you love Bath and Body, then you're gonna love this brand, and I'm talking about Saint Devens, if I'm pronouncing it right. Okay, so I've tried Saint Devens almost like 2 years ago, and that was that peppermint and eucalyptus body shower gel, yeah, body gel, and that was so hell good. And after that I came to know that they are Indian brand, they're manufactured and marketed in India. Now I'm talking this specifically for all product is because some of the products, take an example, Nivea is not an Indian brand, but maximum products of Nivea that are available in India are made in India. They have their factory in India as well, but that doesn't mean that Nivea is an Indian brand, and that same goes with some Indian brands. They are owned by India, but their products may be made in China, made in Italy, made in Korea, made in Germany. You know what I'm talking about? That's why I'm talking about this marketed and manufactured in India. Saint Devens is marketed and manufactured in India. They are PETA certified, vegan and whatnot, and they have some amazing shower gel. Recently I'm trying their Alfonso mango and vanilla range, and that just smells heavenly to me. Like, I love their brand freaking much, especially for my body, to apply some nice shower gel and feel myself refreshing. Next, talk about a brand that falls into mid-range to expensive category. It's not on the affordable list. Some of their products are mid-range, like mid-budgeted, and some of their products are expensive. I'm talking about a brand called Zilch. I found this brand first on Instagram when there was their follower just 730. It's not 730k. Their followers just 730. So there was just few products then. But I love the packaging. Their packaging is just so quirky that just attracts me more towards the brand. And then I've tried just one of their product till now. It's their face wash, and oh my god, I love the face wash. Now the original price of the face wash is 700, but I got this for 498 rupees, which is almost like 500 rupees. And that face wash is just my holy grail face wash. It works great for me. Now if you have really oily skin, that face wash doesn't really gonna work out for you because it is a very cream based product. But if you have dry skin and sensitive skin as well, it's gonna work very beautiful for you, like, trust me, okay? And their product has a slight bit of fragrance. The fragrance is very mild but lingering kind of fragrance. So if you have any problem with fragrance, you might want to stay away, but if you don't have, you can check them out. They have a very short and compact ingredient list. That's what I like about, and they are mostly chemical based. They are not organic, not pure natural. No, they are not. They are generally chemical based products, but they are amazing. Okay, they are amazing. They worth your money, trust me. Now let's just talk about a brand that is trying to make some expensive category of product very affordable. Is that sentence even make sense? I don't know. Yeah, that basically means they are trying to make some products that generally is expensive, but they are trying to keep their price tag very minimal. Yeah, that's what I wanna mean, and I'm talking about Jeva. So they are making some amazing product like hyaluronic acid or AHA and BHA, different types of products. I'm not sure about BHA, but there is some sort of AHA and also some facial oil, and they are pretty affordable. And also they have some cold pressed pure organic oil. Obviously they are not completely potent because the price tag they mention, it's very tough to adjust the potency of the product, okay, especially when it comes to some actives like hyaluronic acid, retinol, AHA, BHA. Okay, trust me, they are on the little bit bit of expensive side. So next again I'm gonna talk about a very affordable brand, and I'm talking about Alps Goodness. Again, it's a brand that is exclusively available on purplle.com, so you might want to check out their website to find this brand out. And yes, I've tried one of their product and that works amazingly for me, and that facial mask cost for only 99 rupees, so it's that much affordable. Okay, so you know what, if you want some extra affordable good quality products, then you might want to check out Alps Goodness. Next up, I want to talk about a brand that I am pretty sure that most of the people don't know about, and I'm talking about Deve Herbs. And it's available on Amazon and maybe on Nykaa. I have to check that out, I'm not sure about it. And they don't have a huge product list. They have a very minimal product list, and most of their products are some sort of floral mist. And I've tried one of their floral mist, that is their sandalwood floral mist, and I love their floral mist. It has a very refreshing feel to it, and they package their products in a glass bottle to intact the purity of the product, I will say. And yes, this smells pretty natural and not artificial as well. That's what I want to mention. And also they have some of their cold pressed carrier oil that you might want to check out. And next I'm going to talk about a brand that I'm not sure if you've heard it from somewhere else, but I'm pretty sure if you're watching my videos regularly, you heard about it 100%. And I'm talking about Wadi Herbals. Yes, you know guys how much affordable their products are. I love their blueberry lip balm that just cost 47 rupees for 10 grams or 5 grams of product, and I really love that. And it is a brand that are also free from any harmful chemicals. They just want to keep it pure and all that jazz. But I'm pretty sure that again, with that pricing that they're offering their product, it's pretty tough to adjust the purity, like 100% purity. Yeah, their product can be pure but not 100%. And the last brand of today's video, I'm gonna talk about Requel. Yeah, it's supposed to be pronounced any of that way, though it sounds like Latin or some sort of foreign language. It's an Indian brand, yes. And they have some amazing skincare. They have a huge product library, and they have some AHA, BHA, as well as they have some ceramide, as well as they have some other sort of creams. Now I haven't tried any of that. I have only used their sunscreen, and trust me guys, it's the best sunscreen I've ever come across. I really love their sunscreen, and their sunscreen works for me greatly. Okay, like greatly. I want to talk about the sunscreen particularly in any of my other videos, because that sunscreen is that much good. And again, they are sort of harmful chemical free. Their product list is very minimal, very compact. That's what again I love about their brand. And their pricing is somewhat into mid-budgeted. So yes. And yes, with this I've finished this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please do support this trend back again, #vocal4local. And also let me know your thoughts on this video in the comments below. Share this video with your friends so that your friends can't make an excuse like, you know what, there are not many brands when it comes to skincare in India. Don't let them make that excuse again, okay? And also subscribe to my channel for more such beautiful videos. I will see you in the next video. Still, and stay beautiful and keep spreading love.